Jesus to be resolved. He repair the broken pieces, set your mind at ease, give you strength for a new day. He will give you peace. He's the fixer, ultimate fixer. Hey guys, so today I'm working on a Samsung refrigerator, a side-by-side, that the ice maker is not working. I came previously and the ice maker is not cycling, but it had water in there. It actually had ice in there. I checked the temperature was okay. I checked the coil had frost on it, so it's not a seal system issue, but it won't cycle. So if you press the test button, the ice will drop out, but it's not going to cycle on its own. So I'm just thinking that it has either a wire issue or the main board. So let's get into it and see exactly. All right, so we're at the display trying to put it in diagnostic mode. So we're going to be using energy saving and lighting. Press both of them simultaneously and to see if we have any error codes. If there are any error codes, one of these segments will be blinking. All right, so let's see. All right, so there are no error codes because none of the segment remains blinking. So we have no error codes. We have ruled out the possibility of a seal system because I've already pulled the evaporator cover. Now I'm gonna, just for test purposes, check the temperature inside the refrigerator before opening it. So I usually just try to use my gun to check the temperature. So now temperature, it's OL, so it's cold. Temperature in there is good. Let's say, okay, I'm getting 8 degrees. Or 5 degrees there, right about 4 degrees. So it's cooling good. And it's off, so it means that it's in defrost because I don't hear the compressor running or any of the fans. So I'm gonna pull the ice maker out. And as we see here, this is the ice maker right here. And there's a test button underneath that I can press. I press the test button. You should hear it, so you can see that it is cycling. Has water in there. So that's the ice from the last time, and it's gonna fill. But whenever it goes through another cycle, it won't dump anything because this is the ice from the last time that I had it. All right, you can hear the water going in there, so it's filling. And as we see, the bucket empty, it's not cycling. So I'm going to pull it out, go to the back. I'm going to check the wiring diagram and check the board to see if I see any burn spot. All right, let's go from there. I'm at the back of the board. I'm going to pull the cover off. Now the first thing I observe, one of the metal thing on the cover is on the outside, so somebody had already pulled this board. Pull the cover off. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm at the back of the board. I just pulled the cover off. Lo and behold, condenser fan is not running any at all. Condenser fan ain't running to cool the compressor. So we have a big problem there. We have a problem there. Alright. I'm also gonna check the board to see if I see any burn spots on it. But we know that the condenser fan is not running. so compressor is overheating. So we could have lower than normal temperature, higher than normal temperature in the refrigerator. The refrigerator since the condenser fan wasn't spinning, and I'm at the board looking at the connector that has the power that goes to the fan. So I have it on grounds, and the power that goes to the fan. Also, there's a feedback circuit for it that I will check. But since I unplug it, these Samsung refrigerators have a time delay, so it doesn't come on immediately. Like, it takes about 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is to put it in force mode. Force mode. You need to press lighting and fridge at the same time. Once you hear it ding, then it's in force mode. All right, and then you press freezer once, and that put it into force mode. So all the fans will come on, compressor will come on. So now I'm gonna check at the back to see if my condenser fan is running. No. Am I getting power to my condenser fan? No, I'm not getting any power to the fan. So it means that I have a defective board. Also, I can check the feedback circuit. The feedback will tell you know, the speed of it. I'm getting a feedback in 2.1, but there's no power to it. I'm getting 0.6. The compressor is running. So there we have it. We have a bad board.